Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a brief description about yourself to your Reddit account on the reddit.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Then you should tap on your username in the upper right corner of the screen and click on user settings. Tap on profile and then scroll down to the about section. As you can see, it's a bio, so a brief description of yourself that is shown on your profile. So step onto this box and then you should type in the description. And basically that's it. As you can see down below, it says that the changes have been saved and you are going to find it on your own profile. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.